How to open Steam games in windowed mode. So first what you want to do is just open up the Steam app. Now go to your library and just go to any game that you want to open in windowed mode. So for this game, just simply click on the gear icon and go to properties, and here all the launch options, just simply put slash then windowed. We just simply put that word right there. Now once that's done, just simply exit out of this and just simply open up the game. So if that didn't work for you, then maybe the game requires to change the windowed or full screen mode to windowed mode in the game itself. So just try to open up the game. So we're now here on the game, just simply go to settings. So mostly the option to change is on the settings, and if you go to video, you will see it right here. So for this game, which is Dota, just simply go to video, use advanced settings, and display mode. As you can see, there's a windowed option. So most of the games has this option to change the setting. Here on the video section on the settings tab, and just change it to window. Now just simply click on apply. Now as you can see, my game is now on windowed mode. So if the first method didn't work for you, there's the second method that you can do, which is basically the standard method on what people mostly do. But of course, you could also do the way that we did earlier, which is the first method. But if it didn't work, this could be the alternative method. And that's what basically opens Steam games on windowed mode.